Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On July 30, 2021, the United States State Department cleared a sale of 18 CH-53K heavy lift helicopters to Israel, which is approximately worth 3.4 billion US dollars. I have already uploaded a video to give more details about the reason behind Israel going for these helicopters. You can find the video link in the top right I button or in the details section of this particular video. Along with the 18 Sikorsky CH-53K helicopters, the United States State Department also cleared the sale of 300 Javelin FGM-148 missiles to Thailand, which is approximately worth 83.5 million US dollars. This deal with Thailand also included the Javelin command launch units and related training along with the 300 FGM-148 missiles. The FGM-148 Javelin is a man-portable fire-and-forget anti-tank missile which uses an automatic infrared guidance that allows the user to seek cover immediately after launch. And this is unlike the wire-guided systems in which the user has to guide the weapon throughout the engagement. The Javelin's high-explosive anti-tank warhead is capable of defeating modern tanks by hitting them from above where the armor is thinnest, which is usually known as a top attack mode. These missiles can also take a direct attack mode for use against buildings, targets inside a minimum top attack engagement range, and targets under obstructions. The Javelin missile system consists of three main components: the command launch unit, the launch tube assembly, and the missile itself. The Javelin missile system can be operated by two or even a single person based on the combat situation. It is always better to have two persons allotted to this particular operation, since if a gunner aims and fires the missile, the other person can scan for prospective targets or threats such as enemy vehicles and troops. As of now, almost 20 countries have gone for this missile system, and even India was in the process of choosing this missile system but later changed their mind. India was looking for a tactical missile system to deal with any threat from China and Pakistan's main battle tanks and infantry vehicles. The actual reason why India went for the Israeli Spike missiles instead of the United States Javelin missiles was due to two reasons. First reason was due to transfer of technology. Unlike the United States, Israel was ready to transfer technology to India and also ready to manufacture the Spike missiles in India. The second reason why India opted for Israel's ATGM is due to Spike's immense success rate and its use by countries around the world. India placed an order for 240 missiles and 12 launches of Israeli Spike MR anti-tank guided missile under an emergency purchase clause. Just to give a quick intro, Spike is also a fire-and-forget anti-tank guided missile and anti-personnel missile system which is developed and designed by Israeli company which is Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. This missile has a tandem charge heat warhead and is available in man-portable, vehicle-launched and helicopter-launched variants. So that was an update on Thailand getting a sales clearance of 300 Javelin FGM-148 missiles, and we also saw the reason for which India didn't go for these FGM-148 missiles of the United States. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.